गुड मॉर्निंग प्रिंसिपल मैडम।
Oh, good morning, Murthy sir. How are you?
बस मैडम चल रहा है। एक्चुअली आपके साथ सिलेबस के बारे में कुछ बात करना है मैडम।
Murthy sir, आपकी क्लास का टाइम हो रहा है ना? Can we talk about it later?
ओके मैडम। Did I come to the wrong classroom?
No, sir.
आज पेरेंट्स टीचर्स का मीटिंग है क्या?
No, sir. Ritvik Reddy, Murthy sir's class batch of 2003. Sir, you taught me the importance of foundation. That's why I'm a civil engineer today.
Devika Ramchandran, Murthy sir's class, Sri Chaitanya batch of 2018. I was very tensed before my JEE advanced, but you helped me get through it, and today I am an IITian.
You taught me the value of serving others, and that made me an IAS officer.
I'm a DRDO scientist.
Shri Chaitanya Principal, Jyoti Sharma. Mr. Murthy's class, Shri Chaitanya batch 1992. Your first student, sir. पिछले 30 सालों में you have changed countless lives, sir. But we never got a chance to say thank you. So we thought, thank you for making us who we are. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
It's reached